Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this beautiful wash and go using my favorite product from Uncle Funky's daughter. If you guys are new to my channel, then you don't know that I have used this product a ton of times for a ton of different hairstyles. But if you have been following me for a while, you know this is one of my tried and true, the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. So I have already washed my hair and I've already done the back of my head, so I'm going to be focusing on the front of my head. I like to really soak my hair with water when I am using the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I find that this product works the best on my hair when it's soaking wet because this product is water based and it contains aloe vera juice, which is really good for our curls if you guys don't know. So this product provides the perfect amount of hold to my curls no matter what style I'm doing. It just so happens today I'm doing a wash and go, and this product dries really good if you are air drying or if you decide to diffuse. It gives that perfect hold. I just love it. I do like to go back through a few of my strands sometimes and apply a little bit more gel just to help my curls form in some areas because I do have different curl patterns throughout my head. But yeah, that's this product. It does not contain any mineral oils, parabens, synthetic dyes, sulfate, so all that bad stuff. It does not contain any of that. I do find that I have to go in on the sides of my hair and add a little bit more product because my curls are a little bit tighter on the sides. But this is how my curls are looking, you guys. Super defined, super shiny, and just the perfect amount of hold. I will say when I'm applying this product, it does apply a little sticky at first, as a lot of gels do, but once it dries, that stickiness goes away and my hair feels very soft to the touch. It's not super crunchy. So like I said, perfect amount of hold. I love this gel. One of the things I really love about this Curly Magic Curl Stimulator is that it is good for kinky, curly, or wavy textures. So no matter what your curl pattern is, this curl stimulator is going to work perfect for your curls. And there I am, just raking the product through my hair gently, and these are my curls all over. The back has kind of dried a little bit. So much definition. So I actually went ahead and used a diffuser to dry my hair, and this is my hair wet still, and I'm going to show you guys in just a minute how it looks once it's all dry. So this is my hair all dry. It's a little damp at the root, but that's okay. I go ahead and let that air dry, and I went ahead and stretched my hair just a little bit to add a little bit of volume. But this is what I got, guys, and I added some hair jewelry to my wash and go just to spice it up a little bit. But this is what I got, guys. Minimal frizz, lot of definition. If you are interested in trying out the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator, you can find it at your local Target, or you can find it on unclefunkysdaughter.com. Make sure to use my code iMadameJay to get 15% off. And thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.